Hi, I want to talk to you about tuning your brain. Did you know you can tune your brain? Yes, you can. I'm Lisa Alexander, and I'm the creator of the Alexander method of vibrational sound and energy therapy, in which we use highly calibrated, specific frequencies of tuning forks to help the body, mind, spirit, and soul. So we help you heal and transform. So I want to talk to you about brain tuners. So these are these really cool forks that I have, and you can find them on the market by other people too, but ours are medical grade here in the United States. They are top quality and they're all checked for accuracy. So they have a fundamental fork, and then they have a beta, alpha, theta, and delta. So if you're familiar with the brain states, beta is our high functioning state. So I'm probably in, if I put a brain cap on right now, I'm probably in beta, right? I'm in this high functioning state. And when I really need to focus and I'm starting to feel sluggish at the end of an afternoon, rather than going for a second cup of coffee, I will take out the fundamental fork and the beta fork. I will sound it on my get forked sounding puck, right? So what happens is I sound them and I'm going to put them at my ears. So when I have the fundamental fork in one ear and the beta fork in the other ear, they're two different frequencies. And the brain does the math, and it puts me into that beta state because it's in that particular range for beta frequency. It's acoustic binaural beat technology. You're probably familiar with binaural beat technology when you have earbuds in or a headphone, where there's one frequency or sound in one ear and the one in the other. And that's great, and they work. But the thing with a recorded sound is you're only hearing the sound. You're not actually feeling and experiencing the vibrations, because what happens is when you sound these forks, the tines start to vibrate, right? There's this electrical charge that goes through the fork, and you're feeling that in your ear and your brain and your mind and through your whole body, especially the ears, because the ears, if you're familiar with acupuncture, the ears contain all the acupuncture points. So it's bringing that into your whole body. So live, just like going to a concert, right? Live concert is so much better than listening to it recorded, right? Because you can feel, right? Because you start moving, you feel the music. That's the same concept. So certainly, if that's all you have, or you're listening to something on YouTube, I caution that, because there are a lot of different frequencies mixed in with stuff that's free things on YouTube, and you're really not sure what you're getting. There is such thing as toxic noise and things that might not be good for you. So I really, really caution all those free downloads on YouTube. You don't really know what subliminal frequencies are being put into your mind there. So you're in control when you have the tuning forks. Okay, so that's the beta. Then if I want to more calm focused when I'm working, I want to get into a creative state, I'll grab the alpha fork and I'll use the alpha and the fundamental. And that'll bring me into a calmer, more creative state, and kind of towards that edge of starting to really meditate. And then when I want to get into a deeper meditation, I'll go theta. And then when I want to go to sleep, I'll use delta. And we also use these within our the Alexander method of vibrational sound and energy therapy at master level skill set in a very particular way. But this is just how you can use them quickly, efficiently, and easily in your everyday world. We sell them on my website at lisaalexander.com. They're called brain tuners. And yes, you can tune your brain. And if you're worried about your memory, I highly suggest you start tuning your brain on a somewhat regular basis. These are some of my favorite forks, particularly at night, to help me sleep. So it's something you can add to your toolkit. So I hope this little presentation on how to tune your brain helped, and you can get into whichever state you want: alpha, theta, beta, delta. And anyway, quick little video. Much love to all of you who do follow and subscribe, and have a beautiful and blessed day. Namaste.